Hi everyone, my name is Anerv Serene and I'm one of the founders of P3 Media. At P3, we have the pleasure of working with dozens of brands to increase their online revenue via creative, technology, and advertising. Part of our discovery process includes ways to increase site revenue via conversion rate optimization. In this video, we'll review 3 things that have helped brands generate more revenue by making small changes. Number 1, including a promo bar. Your customers are busy and you don't want them looking around for the best of what you have to offer. Having a site-wide promotion bar allows them to quickly get to that offer, check out quickly, and by extension, increase your conversion rate. Number 2, including a shipping progress bar. Research has shown that free shipping is a great way to increase cart value and to increase conversion rates. You can deploy a customizable shipping progress bar that encourages users to add more items to their cart to reach that threshold. You can also take this a step further by adding a gift with purchase campaign that allows users to continue adding items to their cart to get more and more gifts during the checkout process. Number 3, upselling and cross-selling products. Product discovery is part art and part science. For e-commerce, product recommendations reduce the time to purchase and also allow users to add more items to their cart while they're in the purchase and checkout process. If you're a Shopify merchant, you can use the Shopify Recommendations API to build out the recommendation engine easily and quickly across your store. While these are just some of the high-level solutions, each store is unique and each store requires a different set of tactics to make this happen. For custom analysis for your store, please reach out at p3media.com.